Today, we're going to talk about the elephant in the room, or should I say, the Bitcoin in the cryptoverse. That's right, we're talking about Bitcoin today and the looming revolution it's about to bring. But before we dive into all the nerdy details, let's first set the scene. Imagine you're at a fancy dinner party, and the conversation turns to finance. Suddenly, someone mentions Bitcoin, and everyone turns to you to explain it. But instead of boring them with technical jargon, you drop some hilarious one-liners and witty analogies that not only make you the life of the party, but also make you the go-to person for all things Bitcoin. So without further ado, let's get started. Bitcoin is like the Wild West of finance. It's untamed, unpredictable and totally exciting. It's like the stock market, but instead of stocks, you're buying digital assets that are completely decentralized. Think of it like buying a piece of the internet. But unlike traditional investments, Bitcoin can be a bit volatile. It's like a roller coaster ride, but instead of screaming, you're screaming, HODL. And let's not forget about the blockchain technology that powers Bitcoin. It's like a digital fortress, a wall of ones and zeros that protects your investments from hackers and fraudsters. It's like having a superhero as your personal finance advisor. As each Bitcoin has a unique digital signature, or private key, that is used to authorize transactions. This means that only the person in possession of the private key can access and spend the associated Bitcoin. So, what does the future hold for Bitcoin? Well, it's hard to say for sure, but one thing's for certain, it's not going away anytime soon. It's like a stubborn teenager, it's going to do its own thing, regardless of what anyone else thinks. One of the main ways that Bitcoin has the potential to revolutionize finance is through its decentralization. By operating independently of a central authority, Bitcoin allows for greater transparency, security, and accessibility in financial transactions. This could potentially democratize finance and make it more inclusive for those who are currently underserved by traditional financial systems. Additionally, the blockchain technology that powers Bitcoin has a wide range of potential uses beyond just digital currencies. For example, it could be used for supply chain management, digital identity verification, and even voting systems. This could lead to a more efficient, secure and transparent way of conducting transactions and record-keeping across various industries. Another area where Bitcoin could have a big impact is in the field of cross-border transactions. It allows for fast, low-cost and borderless transactions, which could make it more attractive to businesses and individuals looking to make international payments. It could also provide a solution for people living in countries with unstable currencies or financial systems. Another important aspect of Bitcoin's looming revolution is its ability to provide financial services to the unbanked population. According to the World Bank, more than 1.7 billion adults around the world do not have access to formal banking services. This can make it difficult for them to access loans, savings accounts, and other financial services. Bitcoin, and other cryptocurrencies, have the potential to provide these services to the unbanked population through the use of mobile wallets and other digital platforms. This could potentially bring millions of people into the global economy and improve their standard of living. Bitcoin's decentralization also has the potential to disrupt traditional financial intermediaries such as banks, payment processors and other financial institutions. Bitcoin's peer-to-peer transaction model allows for faster, cheaper and more secure transactions compared to traditional banking systems. This could potentially lead to a reduction in transaction fees and make financial services more accessible to everyone. Moreover, Bitcoin's blockchain technology could also be used to create new forms of decentralized finance, DeFi, applications. DeFi is a new financial system built on the blockchain that enables users to access a wide range of financial services without the need for a centralized intermediary. This could potentially open up new opportunities for lending, borrowing, trading and insurance. It's also worth noting that Bitcoin's potential to revolutionize the financial system is not limited to just the traditional financial institutions, but it also has the potential to disrupt the current system of payments and remittances. Bitcoin's peer-to-peer transaction model allows for faster and cheaper cross-border payments compared to traditional methods such as wire transfers. This could significantly reduce the cost and time associated with remittances, making it a more accessible option for migrant workers and their families. In addition, Bitcoin's decentralized nature also makes it a more secure option for online transactions. Bitcoin transactions are recorded on a public blockchain, which makes it almost impossible for fraudsters to tamper with or reverse transactions. This could potentially lead to a reduction in fraud and chargebacks, making it a more secure option for merchants and consumers. Furthermore, Bitcoin's potential as a decentralized store of value also makes it an attractive option for people living in countries with unstable currencies or financial systems. It allows for a way to store and transfer value outside of the traditional financial system, providing a level of financial autonomy and protection against inflation. Another potential use case of Bitcoin is its potential to become an alternative to gold as a store of value. Bitcoin's finite supply and scarcity make it similar to gold in terms of its potential to act as a store of value, but it also has the added advantage of being easily divisible and transferable. This could potentially lead to a shift in the way people think about and invest in assets, with Bitcoin becoming a more popular alternative to gold. Bitcoin can potentially disrupt the current system of fundraising and investment. Initial coin offerings, ICOs, and security token offerings, STOs, have emerged as new ways for companies to raise capital by issuing digital tokens that represent ownership in the company. This has the potential to democratize access to funding for startups and small businesses, as well as provide new investment opportunities for individuals. Bitcoin's underlying blockchain technology also has the potential to change the way we think about ownership and property rights. Blockchain-based systems can be used to create digital deeds, titles, and other forms of proof of ownership, which could potentially make the process of buying and selling property more efficient and secure. Additionally, blockchain-based systems can be used to create digital collectibles, such as digital art and virtual real estate, which could open up new opportunities for creators and collectors. Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies have also been proposed as a means of creating new forms of digital identity. Blockchain-based systems can be used to create decentralized digital identities that are controlled by the individual and are not dependent on a centralized authority. This could have implications for privacy, security, and access to services such as banking and healthcare. Lastly, the decentralized nature of Bitcoin could also have implications for data privacy and internet censorship. Blockchain-based systems can be used to create decentralized networks that are not controlled by any single entity, which could provide a more secure and censorship-resistant way of sharing information online. In summary, Bitcoin's potential to revolutionize the financial system is not limited to just the traditional financial institutions. It has the potential to disrupt the current system of payments and remittances, providing a faster, cheaper, and more secure option for cross-border transactions. Its decentralized nature also makes it a more secure option for online transactions, and its potential as a store of value and hedge against inflation makes it an attractive option for people living in countries with unstable currencies or financial systems. Additionally, its potential to act as an alternative to gold could lead to a shift in the way people think about and invest in assets. So whether you're a seasoned pro or a complete newbie, Bitcoin is definitely worth keeping an eye on. It's the future of finance, and it's going to be a wild ride. Thanks for watching, and as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun and informative content like this.